Hello everyone. Chapter 7 Money. Today I will tell you about money. Children, what do you give to the shopkeeper when you go to buy your favorite chocolate, favorite dress, favorite toy in the market? How do you get them? What do you use to buy them? Yes, you use money, right? Money plays an important role in our life. In India, money is available in the form of coins and notes. The coins and notes used in our country are shown below. Here, coins and notes. It is 50 paise coins, 1 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 5 rupees coins, 10 rupees coins. Now notes. Here it is 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 200 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes and 2000 rupees notes. When we buy things from a shop, we have to pay money to the shopkeeper. So you have seen all coins and notes and you recognize and use it, right? Okay. Now next topic, expressing money in words and figure. Now in this topic, I will tell you how to write money in word and figure. You look carefully. We use the symbol for rupees like this. This is symbol of rupees. And for paise, symbol of paise like this. This is symbol of rupees and this is symbol of paise, right? Now we write 50 paise as 50p. This is symbol of paise. Next, 5 rupees as symbol of rupees. 5 rupees 5, clear? And 20 rupees, 22 rupees. As rupees 22, clear? Children, we can write 50p instead of 50 paise and we can also write rupees 5 instead of 5 rupees. In our daily life, we need to express an amount of money in terms of rupees and paise. For example, Suchita bought a chocolate for 25 rupees. 25 rupees and 50 paise. Now we have to write in words. we express this amount as rupees 25 and paise 50 in words. Rupees 25 rupees 25 and paise 50. I have written this amount in words. Now we have to write in figure. We write it rupees, symbol of rupees, 25.50. I have written this amount in figure. Clear? Similarly, rupees 40 and paise 5. Rupees rupees 40 and paise 5 is expressed in figures as symbol of rupees, I have symbol of rupees 40 0.05. This is in words and this is in figure. Clear? Children, we can say this sign as dot or point. When rupees and paise are written together, they are separated from each other by a dot or a point. Clear? Next, exercise 7.1. Question is write the following in figures. Question 1. 133 rupees and 20 paise. You can see that it is written in the words and now we have to write in figure. So write symbol of rupees, 33 point 20 paise. Clear? Rupees 33.20. Clear? Now next, 75 rupees and 5 paise we have to write in figure. Rupees, symbol of rupees, 75.05. Rupees 75.05. Now question 3, 49 rupees and 50 paise we have to write in figure. symbol of rupees 49, rupees 49.50, rupees 49.50. Student, question 3, 4, 5, do it with your mind. Next, question B. Write the following in words. Children, it is written in the figure here and we have to write in the words. So write it. Rupees 17.96. We have to write in the in words. 17 rupees and 17 rupees and 96 paise. Now next, rupees 26.99. We have to write in words. 26 rupees and 99 paise. Now next, rupees 62.30. We have to write in words. Write 62 rupees, 62 rupees and 30 paise. Children, question 4 and 5 you have to done yourself. Now question C. Write the following separating rupees and paise. Now we have to separate it. Question 1, rupees 30.15. One has already done for your better understanding. So we start from question 2. Rupees 28.05. So write rupees 28 and 5 paise. Next, rupees 78.14. Write symbol of rupees 78 and 14 paise. Question 4 and 5 you have to done yourself. Is that clear?